First, confirm you have a compatible Audi model, S6, S7, S8, Q5, or RS7 manufactured between 2008 and 2017. These keys use a CR2032 battery. Gather your supplies. A new CR2032 battery with Duracell and Energizer offering smart key labeled options. A small plastic pry tool or screwdriver avoiding metal to prevent scratches. Optionally, a lubricant for stiff hinges. Replacement kits are available online for around $5 to $15. Working on a static-free surface is best to avoid damage to the electronics, so use a rubber or plastic mat when replacing the battery. Locate the release button or seam on your key fob. Gently pry it open with your plastic tool. Some models, like the S8 and Q5, may have a hidden screw. Remove the old CR2032 battery, noting the orientation, positive side up. Use a non-conductive tool to lift it out. Insert the new battery with the positive side facing the circuit board, making sure the contact surfaces are clean and dust-free. Snap the fob back together securely. Test the key by pressing the buttons. If it doesn't work, it may need reprogramming at a dealer, which costs $50 to $100, but most of the time this isn't needed.